Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Facebook Messenger. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. And by the end of this video you'll be able to recover all your encrypted end-to-end chats, so make sure to subscribe the channel before starting the video. So first of all, open up the Facebook Messenger app and then you'll have to tap on those three lines on the top left corner and then tap on that gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Facebook Messenger. Now you'll have to tap on privacy and safety in preferences section, and you'll have to tap on end-to-end encrypted chats right here, and then you'll have to tap on manage storage on the top, and make sure that you tap on turn on secure storage, and you'll have to type in your WhatsApp pin and then confirm it, and it will be turned on. Now you'll have to go back and right here you'll have to scroll down to the bottom and then tap on see more in account center, and then tap on your information and permissions, and then tap on download your information, and after that you'll have to tap on download or transfer information, and then select your Facebook profile and then hit next, and then tap on specific type of information, and at the last you'll have to select messages and then hit next, and then tap on download to device and then tap on next, and at the last you'll have to tap on create files, and it will take some time to load create files for you, and you'll be notified on your email, and you'll be able to download that information to check your end-to-end encrypted chats. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.